Postgame. The game is over. Now what? Well, now the real work begins. It's always easy to apply the things that we've learned while we're working our way through a book or immediately after we've finished it. The hard part is to keep applying what we've learned after some time has passed so that we don't start reverting back to our old habits. With that being said, I charge you to make the commitment to do something every day, starting right now, that sets in motion the process of you attaining the life you aspire to live. It can be as simple as sending an email, making a phone call, or looking up information about an endeavor. Paraphrasing slightly from what the guy in these old Everest College commercials used to say, why don't you do something today that's going to help you in your future? Shoot your shot and keep on shooting it. Continue to build up your initial efforts day after day until you get to where you want to be. If you enjoyed Shoot Your Shot and you took something of value from it, I ask of you to do me two huge favors. One, please rate the book and write a review for it on Amazon.com. And two, please refer this book to your network, your family members, your friends, your teammates, your colleagues, and your social media following. Pretty much everyone you know. Reviews and referrals are the primary means that word about this book will spread, resulting in it reaching as many people as possible, which is the goal. Your support in this way is much needed in order for this book to have its intended impact. I've said it before and I'll say it again, I really appreciate you for taking the time to read this book. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Vernon Brundage, Jr.